Hey everyone, I just wanted to go and make a quick video of how I set my levels for trading today. It'll be Monday, February 9th. And this is how I go about setting my levels from the previous day's trading day, which would have been Friday. I believe it was the 6th. So first thing I'll do is I'll go in here and I'll mark what the previous day opening candle was. And that candle opened at the bottom of this green wick here at 681.43. And then I'm going to mark the previous day low's wick, which was that same candle, at 680.84. And I'll usually mark the previous day low touches, and that's going to be a bit higher on this one than what we normally would have. And then I'm just going to grab the most amount of touches that I can at the lowest point possible for the day. And that'll grab those three there, and we're going to call that 683.48. And then we'll mark the previous day close. And that's going to go all the way up here to the bottom of this red candle at 690.69. Then we'll mark the aftermarket, which would also be the Asia market. And we're going to mark that here, the bottom of this candle at 689.51. And I actually used the wrong line on my chart here. I'm going to readjust that for us real quick. We're going to use the aftermarket high. And it looks like it'll be the top there of that candle as soon as the market closed. And that's going to be 691.01. And then we're going to use the aftermarket low, the bottom of that green wick, at 689.52. And then we're going to mark the previous day high touches, which will be the top of that red wick and the top of that body at 692.07. And we're going to use the PDL high, the previous day high's wick, right there at 692.33. And then now we'll mark the pre-market. And the pre-market is going to be right up here, in line with this little candle at 0400. And then we'll mark the pre-market low as well. And that's going to be 687.97. So now we have the pre-market, which will also be the London market or the European market. We have the aftermarket, which will be the Asia market / Tokyo market, the previous day high and the previous day low of the New York session from Friday. And then my overarching resistance and support is not on anything. We will establish that in real time after the market opens to see what current price action is telling us and if it's respecting key levels from yesterday. So I hope this helps you out. And if you're interested in learning from me, click the link below.